Hello everyone, my name is Rekha Manalikar and my topic is on case study for cafeteria queuing model. So here is the background. So basically I have went to the research papers which were on the restaurant Sushi Thai in Jakarta, Indonesia. So basically I have simulated this project because in this restaurant there is a lot of queue where customers get frustrated standing in queue for longer time and wasting that time for a long queue. It's very difficult for the manager also to manage the customers having a very big queue. So what the researcher have done is he has collected all the information from the restaurant's manager, like their like on the average rate of the customers visits to the restaurants on what day, what timings, and how many servers are how many servers are present there to serve the customers. So he collected all the information. So based on that information I figured out that there are two important things which is important for me to simulate this to overcome this problem. So here we can see that the restaurant manager, he concluded that the queuing model that the best illustrate the operation of Sushi Thai is one server, which is like if when a restaurant contains only and when a restaurant has only one server, one chef, or one counter, which is bit complicated, like customers had to wait for a long queue to be served. So to overcome this problem, uh, so here is the Sushi Thai queuing model. So for the analysis of the Sushi Thai MM1 queuing model, so which means that a restaurant which has only one counter or one server or the one chef or example like that. So to overcome this, what I have done is I have collected the data. The data which was collected by the researchers. I have taken the data from there. I have tried to take out the mean of the customer's arrival rate and the mean of the service rate, and also the utilization factor. So based on the I tried to simulate so based on this mean customer's arrival rate and the mean service rate. So based on this, I try to simulate this situation. So as I told you that the data which was collected by the researcher, I have just got the data. I have just taken out the mean from that data. So to simulate this situation, what I've done is I have taken the average count of the customers based on the day of the week, and then simulated using a theorem which is I have used Monte Carlo simulation algorithm. So where the the researchers have used the Little's theorem, which is useful in quantifying the maximum achievable operational improvements. But here I have used a Monte Carlo simulation algorithm, um, which can just get the data in a study and using to simulate the busy cafeteria. So here are the improvements and the modifications. So by doing this simulation, the main thing we can do is, the main goal is to, for this project, is to decrease the queue length. And it's not about increasing the length of the, it's not about increasing the customers to the restaurant, but it's about maintaining the time or decreasing the time for the queue. So by doing this, we have saved like 30 seconds of the time, which decreased an average service rate from 2.24 to 1.96, and with 2.24 the median queue length was 45 and now it is 1.96. Our median is 15 and the maximum queue length is 39. Here are the references. Thank you.